Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is we will do the PHP 40 number part. In last video, basically we saw union basically. So one of the person told that in sky basically there are 1 crore planet basically. If they basically become one, then basically what will happen? Then the universe will end basically. So they have created a universe like that basically. But Earth planet Sardar Patel basically created, told that basically we all are one. So what is correct? That only time will basically will tell. And assume basically today world will end. So today the everything basically will get calculated. So one of the person told that this is the best example of union basically. PHP developer, that PHP person basically died. But the person who want to rule the PHP, he told that basically that is good. So Sardar Patel rule basically is like this basically. Now again back to the PHP operator. PHP divides the operator into following group basically. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operators, incremental, decremental, logical, string, array, conditional, assignment operator. So one of the person told that if we go a little bit back when basically we were doing the mathematics study basically, that time basically if you want to do plus of two numbers basically, how we were doing basically. So there were some square books basically available. In that basically one column basically we will be writing first number, in second column basically we will writing operator basically, that is a plus, minus, division, whatever. Then in third column basically we will writing the second number. Then in fourth column basically we will writing the equal to, and then basically fifth column basically we will writing the final number. So same way here also it's like that only. So the entire computer basically is designed on the base of existing creation. They don't have their own creation. So one of the person told that if in future basically world will end, so computer will not be responsible. Why? Because he has never used his own creation. He always has used the created creation. AI algorithm basically, that is created basically someone by someone basically. The operators basically, that is created basically. So software industry basically say that basically we have just created which was already created, but it was computerized. So the best excuse basically on last day of world, the software industry will give this only basically. So one of the person, there is no creation of software industries. So that also basically we will see in this video. So see basically, these all are the operators. Arithmetic operators. The word itself says basically it's a arithmetic. Arithmetics basically means number is required. It's a arithmetic, na basically. Numerical calculation basically, that is basically given name as arithmetic. So PHP basically, one of the person does that operators basically access all basically software basically have like PHP, Microsoft, because few operator access only Microsoft have. Few operator access basically only C++ have. Few operator access only basically the PHP have. And few access basically PHP don't have basically. Few access basically the PHP don't have. So see the operators plus, these all are the operators basically. This is the name of the operation, operator basically, example is given, and the result basically is given. So C plus operator is there, addition basically, this is the two data and sum of the 1 and 2, that basically will be the result of the plus basic. Same way basically everything basically comes here basically. See, we will see everything. Minus, equal, multiplication, that is basically the star, division base. So all basically were in the mathematics, na, basically. In mathematics basically we were having the all the stuff basically. Reminder, exponential, PHP assignment operator. So second one is arithmetic. So now basically it's a assignment operators. Same way basically, yes, about one I will explain basically. This is the assignment operator equal to x equal to y. The left operand gets set to the value of the expression on the right. So it will set the data. It will pass this data to this basically. X equal to y. This is equal to basically. Comparison is totally different. This is equal to. That means it will assign the data. So one of the person told that if here basically in PHP it's equal to assignment basically, in the rest of basically the programming basically it will be same way like this. No, the operator basically are totally different in all the programming tools, but mostly basically 80 percentage are same, but 20 percentage to separate basically to the other side basically they basically keeps totally different. So that basically connects to the physical creation only basically. That is connecting to the physical creation, and that is the modular wise creation basically, which is the city creation basically. That in this basically nowadays smart city basically has created. So that is the modular creation basically. Same way the software industry basically modular creation. Same way basically the all the assignment operators. Now basically the comparison operator. 1% to the comparison operators are what basically? So these all are the comparison equal to, this is the conditions basically. Is this if this and this is equal, then basically do something basically. Same way basically the equal is there, identifier is there, not equal is there, not identical is there, greater is there, less than is there, greater than, less than. It's like this basically all the operators basically are. Then basically the increment and decrement operators. Operators are used to increment the value of the another percent on that. If you want to do 1 plus 1 basically what you will do, but here basically plus plus 1, so whatever things basically is here it will add to 1 basically. Pre increment basically 1 by 1 returns basically. Post increments basically, pre decrement basically, like this basically. Now the logical basically. Here basically and operators basically are available basically. PHP string operators basically. So same way arithmetic operator, now it's a string operators. Concatenation, in previous basically videos we saw that basically from plus a dot basically what we can do to two string concat. So two string basically will get concat, and if you want to print these two you can directly use echo, or basically you assign the one more string basically. Here basically equal to and variable name basically. So array operators basically are there. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.